A lot is demanded of flooring. It needs to withstand traffic, odors, soil, stains, and spills. As a bonus, it should be waterproof. Discover Resista Plus H2O. This revolutionary product line spans carpet, hardwood, and vinyl plank, so virtually any room in the home can welcome it. From remarkable looks to robust performance, it's nearly impossible to resist its appeal. Resista Plus H2O is flooring made for real life. The H2O means it's waterproof. How cool is that? The infused technology ensures spills stay on the surface where they can be cleaned quickly and easily. It defends the floor below from liquid spills above. Resista Plus H2O features many other benefits, such as protection against odors, stains, and soil, scratch resistance, sound absorption, non-slip safety, and is backed by industry-leading warranties for appearance and performance. Resista Plus H2O excels in homes with little feet or furry feet. Thanks to the stellar array of security perks just mentioned, it's kid-friendly and pet-friendly. It withstands daily foot and paw traffic, along with the occurrence of all too common messes, inevitable spills, and occasional accidents. Pick the waterproof product line that's perfect for your project. Resista Plus H2O Hardwood. Elevate eye appeal with visually stunning planks that provide rich texture and genuine character. Resista Plus H2O Vinyl Plank. Offering realistic looks of high-end designer-style wood or stone, coupled with enhanced waterproof performance. Resista Plus H2O Carpet. It's synonymous with softness, beauty, and strength. Boasting trending styles, designer looks, and stately appeal, it serves as a statement piece in any room. Striking looks, dependable performance, and waterproof protection. Resista Plus H2O. Flooring that's irresistible. Find the Resista Plus H2O products at your local ProSource Wholesale showroom.